Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you say,
Lang maulan.
anywhere.
I will not follow where the path may lead, but I will go where there is no path, and I will leave a trail.
The world is not in your books and maps. It's not there.
Music differs from, say, travel. When you travel, you are trying to get somewhere. And of course, we, because being a very compulsive and purposive culture, are busy getting everywhere faster and faster and faster till we eliminate the distance between places. I mean, with the modern jet travel, you can arrive almost instantaneously. What happens as a result of that is that the two ends of your journey become the same place. So you eliminate the distance, and you eliminate the journey. Because the fun of the journey is to travel, not to obliterate travel.